Good morning, students of grade 5th. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. We are doing chapter 11 Money. So, today we will start activity 3. Mention today's date. We are doing our work on page number 114. Question number 1. Add the following. A is our classwork and B, C is our homework. Question number 2 we will solve in our classwork. Question number 3 A and B we will solve in our notebook, classwork notebook. C and D we will solve in our homework notebook. Question number 4 is our classwork. Question number 5 and 6 is our homework and 8 also are today's homework. Students, this activity 3 is related to addition and subtraction of money. How we add the money and subtract, today we will learn. Okay, so take out your notebook. We will solve in our notebook. Mention today's date, chapter, name and activity 3 we are doing, and activity 3 is on page number 114 in our Cordova book, and we are doing our classwork. Question number 1. Add the following. A, rupees 157.63 and rupees 29.89. We have to solve this with addition. So let's start. We will leave one line for carry. Always we put symbol of rupees at first, and after that we will write our value. So we are doing addition. 3 and 9, 12. We have one carry. 6 and 8, 14, and 8 1 carry, 15. The carry will move 8 rupees. Carry will move 8 rupees amount. Okay, so we have one carry. Put our dot and look, we have after 2 digit we have point. Okay, because paisa should be in 2 digit. Next, 7 and 9, 16. Add 1 carry, 17. Carry we will put at next place. 5 and 2, 7. Add 1 carry, 8. And we have 1. Put the sign of rupees. So, this one is addition of our money. We always put our carry at rupees place. Okay, but we have a small difference in subtraction. We will let C. Okay, after question number 2. Question number 2 is add rupees 25 rupees 45 paise and 173 rupees 89 paise. What we have to do in this question? We have to do addition of our money. Let's start. Answer rupees 173.89, rupees 25.45. Now we have to add 9 plus 5, 14. We have 1 carry. Add plus 4, 12. Add 1 carry, 13. We have 1 carry. 3 plus 5, 8 and add carry 9. 7 plus 2, 9 and 1. We are doing addition. So, sum is, we always tell the answer of addition सम. क्या बोलते हैं हम आंसर ऑफ एडिशन को? सम. द सम इज ₹199.34. Now come on question number 3. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. A. Rupees 89.63 from rupees 124.93. We always subtract from large number. Okay, and which one is large number? 124. Rupees 124.93. Next value is rupees 89.63. We will subtract. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. We will put our point. Next we have 4 and 9. We can't subtract 9 from 4. So what we will do? We will take a borrow and it will become 14. 14 minus 9, 5. We have here 2. But 2 gives borrow to 4. Now it will become 11. 11 minus 8. What number will come? 3. And we have here 1. But 1 gives borrow to 2. So we have here 0 value. 0 minus 0, 0. So the difference is rupees 35.30. Now come on question B of question number 3. Look carefully. B. Rupees 184.50 from rupees 360.20. We are doing subtraction and always we write large number. 360.20 rupees 184.50. Now let's see what we will do in this. We have 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 5. We can't do. What we will do? We will take a borrow. But what we will took? We will took borrow 1 rupees. We will took borrow 1 rupees. So its full value will become 120. 120. Let's see our note. 20 minus 50. We will see all the digits of paise. This one is 20. We will not solve individually 0 minus 0, 2 minus 5. No. We will do all amount of paise. 20 and 50. 20 is less than by 50. So we took 1 rupee carry. We will took 1 rupee carry from all number 360. किससे लेंगे हम? 360 से carry लेंगे 1 rupee. It will become 120. ये क्या बन जाएगा? 120. और हमने 360 से क्या ली थी? बोरो ली थी. तो it will become 359 because we gives borrow 1 rupees from 360 and it will become 359. Understood? We have small difference in addition and subtraction. We can solve easily our addition, but in subtraction, if we are taking borrow in our पैसे में हम बोरो ले रहे हैं तो क्या करेंगे? 1 rupee we will took borrow. Okay, understood everyone? Now we have here 120. Now we subtract 0 minus 0, 0 and we will count it 12. We will count it 12. 12 minus 5, 7. And 360 gives borrow to this one. So it will become 359. Now 359 we have new value here and we will subtract from this. 9 minus 4, Yes, 5. We have 5. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. We can't subtract. We will do borrow. So 15 minus 8, 7. We have here 3 and 3 gives borrow to 5 and it will become 2. 2 minus 1. 1 rupees 175.70 is the difference. Now come on question number 4. Let's see how we solve subtraction again. Okay, subtract 345 rupees 56 paise from 500 rupees. What we will do in this question? Subtraction. Answer we will write. Okay, now we have here 0. We don't have any value of paisa, so we will write here 0 0. Now, can we subtract 56 from 0 0? No, we can't subtract. So, what we will do? We will 2k borrow from 500 and it will become 100. It will become 100. Let's see in our note what we have in our note. 00, okay, less than by 56. So we took 1 rupees carry from 500. We will do carry from 500 borrow, sorry. And 00 will become, become 100 and 500 will become 499. Let's see in our question. It will 00 will become 100 and 500 will become 499 because 500 gives 4 to 00 and if we subtract 1 from 500 we got 499. Now we have to subtract from this. इसमें से क्या करेंगे हम subtract करेंगे. We got new value. We will not subtract from this. We will subtract from this. Now 10 0 0 minus 6 no 10 minus 6 4 and we have here 9 because 10 gives borrow to 0 and we have here 9 9 minus 5 4 9 minus 5 4 9 minus 4 5 4 minus 3 1. We got the difference rupees 154.44. Now come on question number 7. What should be added to rupees 197.50 to get rupees 250.00? हमें क्या ऐड करना चाहिए इसके अंदर कि हमें क्या मिल जाए 250. What we will do? We will do subtraction in this case. Okay, suppose you want 5 rupees. You want 5 rupees but you have 3 rupees. Listen carefully. You want 5 rupees but you have only 3 rupees. What should number you will add in 3 that become 5? 3 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि वो 5 बन जाए? तो क्या करेंगे? What we will do? Yes, we will do subtract 5 minus 3. So the number we will got, what number we will add? Okay, so let's start in this question also. We have 250, 00, 197, 50. We will subtract. The rule is same of subtraction. We have 0, 0 and 50. What we will do? We will take a borrow. 1 rupee we will take borrow 100 and 250 will become 249. And I am not mentioning here our note because we know, we already understand. So 100 minus 50. 50. 9 minus 7. 2. 4. 4 minus 9. We can't subtract. 14 minus 9. 5. 1 minus 1. What will number we will come? 0. Rupees 52.50 will add in rupees 197.50. If we will add both numbers, these both numbers we got 250. You can check your answer also. I hope you all are understand students. Bye bye.